Hey everybody, it's my 5 featured list for AI music songs and the artist week 20. If you're interested in that, go ahead and stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Matt at AI DIY. AIDIY.tech is the website. Now today is my 20th week doing this feature, and I'm not gonna lie, I like doing this every week. I'm gonna try to mix it up a little bit this week. My 5th feature is based on my Facebook community. I put, I think, 4 songs out there to be voted on, and the one that is number 5 is the 5th pick. Now, as always, I'm just going to mention, I'm going to put the links down below in the description and probably pin up the first comment. Well, I will. That'll contain all the links to the artists and the songs. Do go there and leave a comment. Consider how awesome it is when someone leaves a comment on yours and a sub. That's what other people feel. So go ahead and do that. Now, I'll just say, if you like this channel, please sub down below. As of now, the competition is still going. I'm just shy of the first level of monetization. I think I need like 40 more watch hours or something. So that's one of the gates for this competition. The other bit is if you've gone to my website, aidiy.tech/contact, and you submit a song or you contact me, yes, I'd like you to subscribe to the newsletter. If you don't, as I've mentioned before, I don't check who has and who hasn't. I just listen to your music and I like the dialogue. I'm going to take all your names, put them in a randomizer, and 2 people are going to win free t-shirts from my shop. Hopefully I'll have a couple more shirts up on offer. I'll either send you out a coupon code or find your address. I'm not exactly sure how I'll do it at the moment, but in any case, you'll have 2 t-shirts. Now, what I want to do now is go into my featured list.